We're on a mission today to create 4 of the coolest, wildest iPhone cases you have ever seen. So, I've got an assortment of colors that Gabe and I picked out specifically for this project that we think are gonna dazzle the eye. We've got 4 of these cases. If you're gonna do something like this, you wanna use a simple, hard plastic iPhone case, nothing fancy. We've got some primer, we've got plenty of paints, we've got some clear coat, we've got a long afternoon of work ahead of us. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Out of the 4, whatever the viewers pick, because this fits my personal phone, out of these 4, whatever the viewers vote on within the first 24 hours, I gotta rock that case for a week.
I'm down.
You ready?
Yep.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and it's funny because when we change the color of cars, we always have someone come up from the team once in a while who's like, dude, I really want that color on my car. But this project was universal. Everybody now in this building wants custom painted phone cases, and I can't blame them. These came out incredible. I'm going to show you all 4 of them now in different lighting so you can see what they look like, and I want you to leave a comment below and tell me which one is your favorite, and then vote for which one you guys want me to rock for a week. I'm probably going to use all of them, to be honest with you. If you want to change the color of your car or play with any of our paints, I know you guys have a ton of different projects of your own, head straight to DipYourCar.com. Everything is there for you in one place. Gabe and I had a blast on this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.